Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Harum. My metric number 1221098. And this is my group members. In this video, we'll be presenting about our business model covers Byself Laundry. The word Byself was used in the shop name because our laundry concept the self-service model. There are 9 elements of business model covered by Byself Laundry. First of all is key partner, then key activities, key resources, value proposition, channels, customer relationship, customer segment, cost structure, and the last one is revenue stream. In key partnership, we have SSN. Before start the business, we must register our business with Company Commission of Malaysia, or we call SSN. Second, MARA. We have made a loan with MARA as capital to start the Byself Laundry business. For the washing machine suppliers, we choose brand Panasonic for washing machine and dryer machine at nilai 3. While for laundry soap and softener suppliers, we take from ABC Laundry and PK Laundry at Bangi. Then furniture shop. We buy furniture from Adnan Prabot such as chair to provide comfort for our customer. Last but not least, coffee machine. We are providing a coffee machine with high quality coffee.
Next element is the key activities. We will do the laundry service on your own, and after that, we also provide the delivery service for ready-to-wash clothes. And we also producing drink for customers while they wait for clothes to be washed. Furthermore, we have key resources. First, we provide the high-quality machine that we will use. Next is a reliable supplier. It is important because the right suppliers will decrease the risk associated with supply chain disruption.
Next, cost structure. First, salaries. Second, rent. Third, technological setup. Fourth, running and maintenance. 5, marketing. Next, revenue stream. First, payments from customers. Second, selling coffee.
Move to the next point is value proposition. First, runner. Our runners pick up and deliver your laundry so you don't have to leave your home. Second, efficient. It is a great value proposition for a laundry service as it appeals to busy individuals looking for a convenient and efficient way to do their laundry. Third is user-friendly. It is easy to use, convenient and efficient. And the last one is complimentary. We also offer a complimentary cup of delicious coffee with every purchase. Next channel, social media marketing. We use social media platform to reach our target audience. For example, Facebook and Instagram. We also use local advertising to promote our business to people in our area. An example, we put up flyers in our neighborhood to promote our business.
Next is customer relationship. Customer relationship is method, strategies, and process a company use to build and maintain customer relationship. Firstly is member card, such as gift discount to customers. Secondly is redeem vouchers. Thirdly is free laundry soap for repeated customer or regular customer. Lastly is customer segments. Customer segment is the process of organizing customers into specific groups, which is university students, worker people, individual people, hostel students, and lastly is lazy people, which they really need self-laundry because it is fast and cheap compared to other laundries. That's all of us. We hope you guys can support our business. Thank you.